the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Lacey Swope.
Oh, we love Jordan Dathis. Can't wait to see what you decide to pick up. And man, hopefully that business does so well. What an excellent idea. Today, we are starting off with sunny skies, mild conditions, guys. And we have temperatures that will soar into the 70s later today. And then rain chances, they are going up in waves, starting with late this evening, tonight, off and on through Wednesday afternoon. Good soaking rain, much of Oklahoma getting in on the action. And some areas will have an inch, some areas 2 to 3 inches of rain before this is all said and done. But before we get the rain in here, we've got the warm air, south winds. That has to collide with the cold air to the north, and that's going to happen right over Oklahoma. So today at 4 o'clock, 70. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. in the 30s with the cold rain. Could have a little sleet, a little snow in parts of the state. Not going to be a major winter storm. This event not really expecting to bring us any treacherous travel over the next several days because ground temps will be so warm. So here comes the cold front. It's still a long way away from Oklahoma City. It's just making its way towards our panhandle. It arrives in Oklahoma City about 10 o'clock tonight. Lucky Star Sky Cam Network, yeah, downtown Oklahoma City is bouncing around. South winds are up. It's 51 degrees. There's moisture returning back to the area. Gulf moisture is surging in. Temperatures lower, mid, upper 50s. Still holding on to some 30s out in western Oklahoma, but we're all warming up. Winds 15, 25, gusting to 30, and they will be strong until about 3 o'clock this afternoon. They will actually relax some for a while this evening ahead of the cold front. Winds do get lighter, which will just make for a gorgeous day to get outside, take your evening walk outside, enjoy. 70 in Enid, 71 in Stillwater, 70 in Clinton, 72 in Lawton. And then here comes the cold front, makes its way on in. It's being shoved from a storm system to the north. It's pushing that colder air to the south. Meanwhile, powerful area of low pressure coming out of Nevada into Arizona. It's slow moving. Gulf moisture is streaming in up over that colder air, and that thing does not swing by Oklahoma until late Wednesday, and we'll have rain chances between now and then. Starting with late this evening, 9, 10 o'clock, the cold front's approaching. A few thunderstorms start to develop, and we'll be tracking rain along the boundary late this evening and tonight. Tomorrow morning, just spotty showers. May have a few rumbles of thunder, and then this kind of spreads more and more as we go through the day tomorrow, coming through in waves. May have a few thunderstorms into tomorrow afternoon. Some pockets of heavier rain. And then you notice it's just cloudy. It's soggy across the state all day tomorrow. Then into tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. We'll also kind of get a lull for a little bit before the next round arrives. Midday on Wednesday could also provide heavy rain at times, a few thunderstorms, and we're cold enough in northern and northwestern Oklahoma. We may see a wintry mix, a little sleet, a little snow, but again, ground temperatures look to be too warm to really have much of an accumulation at all. So let's break it down statewide. There's the cold front late this evening, well after dark. Showers, a few storms start to develop, and we may see some of those produce some small hail and gusty winds. Dime-size hail, 40, 45 mile an hour wind, not severe. Temperatures tonight will actually be in the 50s for much of the overnight. This will really be the temperature tomorrow morning early. Temperatures will be dropping. Strong north winds and 30s in the northwest. Rain chances up to 100% tonight and tomorrow morning. It looks wet for your Tuesday morning commute with some showers rolling on through. And then tomorrow afternoon, colder than in the morning. By about 4 o'clock, upper 30s, low 40s, north winds. It's kind of a windy, raw type of day, with rain chances just continuing. Now, you notice those chances let up out in western Oklahoma, turning cold enough for several of our counties. May get some snowflakes at times, some sleet, but not sticking. And then to tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, that final wave pushes on through with rain chances still at 100% and may end up transitioning to all light snow for a while as the storm is pivoting and pulling away from us. So when you add up all these waves of rain today, really late this evening, through Wednesday, a trace to maybe a half of an inch in portions of western Oklahoma. Unfortunately, you will not get as much. And then the way the data is setting up, it still looks like a half of an inch, maybe some bullseyes of an inch and a half of rain in the blue. And that does include the Oklahoma City metro. And there will be some areas in far eastern Oklahoma, 1, maybe up to 3 inches of rain with this storm system. And for February, that is heavy rain. That's above average for sure. Then we dry it out, but we turn colder again with a front towards the end of the week, warming up into your weekend. And there's yet another soaking storm to start next week. Back to you guys.